We are the Grahams and we recently explored and camped at Fort Townsend State Park. This was a great campground where we enjoyed many activities including hiking and roasting some s'mores. Yum. We also visited the nearby town of Port Townsend, one of our favorite ocean towns. We had a fun trip as a family and hope you stay tuned and enjoy. This is the Grahams for the Graham family. This is Graham Ventures. Where are we heading to?
Port Townsend.
Port Townsend. We're going to do our one and only camping trip this year. We did a bunch last year. Everything else kind of got in the way.
Yeah.
But this is going to be a good time. This is a campground we never stayed at. Port Townsend is a cool place. And what ultimately are we going to be looking for?
Bears.
Sasquatch.
Bears. Sasquatch. You know what I'm going to be looking for?
Evie says
Sasquatch wearing cheetah. So if we spot Sasquatch wearing cheetah, life's good.
What
So-
about a bear wearing a cheetah, though?
What about a cheetah wearing bear?
That
I'm
would be
just saying.
Wow, that would be.
I felt
So-
that
Be
were
something.
cheetah.
So the possibilities are endless. So we're gonna go out and do some camping
And
exploring, and we'll let you know what we find. If we do find that elusive thing, you must subscribe, like our channel. On camp trips, what do we got to get? We got to get some lunch.
Lunch.
Costco is a good place to get some good cheap lunch. Okay, what do you eat, Evie? Are you having some hot dog? Is that yummy? My brother 2.
Hi.
My brother 3.
Having-
Sissy, excuse me. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Are we eating pizza?
Hi, pizza.
Oh man. Oh, you're so cute. Well, you're cute too.
Budget friendly.
And America. Churro cheers.
Churro cheers.
Churro cheers.
This is called 6 people in a van. Ow. With enough stuff to camp for 2 days.
You should see the roof.
And the roof is packed full too. So.
Ow.
And Duke doesn't have any space to lay down. Poor
Duke, but he's got enough room for his stinky breath.
Oh, that's good.
Here we go.
We're here, finally.
Kids.
And it's cute.
Okay, guys, we made it here. We're just about to start unloading. Now we're gonna set up camp, so stand by.
On where, Mom?
You sure are pretty. Oh, kiss cam.
Oh, yeah.
We're setting up camp. We got the tent. Evie, come here. We got a 2-year-old running around. Duke's barking at stuff, getting tangled up. And we're getting the air mattresses set up. So that's good.
This is our tent. Pretty big. And we have a 6-person family, so we need a pretty big tent to do everything. Let me just open it up. Here's our tent. And I'll show you guys the inside. So on the inside, there's where Mom and Dad sleep. And then there's 2 separate rooms, and we also have a solar light up there that kind of lights the way. Got tiki torches, and yeah, we're all set up and ready to camp.
Wow, extreme close-up, bro.
Yeah.
It's so extreme. Fire close-up, whoa.
Is everyone ready
Right
for
here.
us for s'mores?
Oh, the S word.
Also, we all got our gear.
Who doesn't? Okay, what
S'mores. She's yelling
kind of gear do you
s'mores.
have? It's up there. She's got a lantern.
big
about
old
me?
marshmallows for s'mores.
Wow,
Extreme marshmallow close-up.
It's like they grew them in the field.
I was gonna say,
Yeah, like
I
a
saw those on a
haystack.
farm.
Yeah.
That's really weird.
Oh,
Oh,
You like
Someone
marshmallow?
wants some marshmallows.
Here, that's easier
I
than a
can't
s'more.
untie my stuff. Okay.
Okay.
here's-
Okay, I'm gonna show my gear now. Wait a minute, we don't have that much memory card, so.
Roasted.
So is everybody having a good time so far?
Yes.
What do we think of the campground in general?
It's nice.
It's pretty good.
Not
Yeah.
a lot of traffic, and
It's actually pretty
people
cool.
are
We're
quiet.
probably the loudest people here,
Yeah.
so
Definitely.
I'm fine with it.
She's telling us a story. Tell us your story. Tell us your story. What's your story? Tell us. Oh, yeah? And what else happened? Uh-huh. And then what happened? Yeah? Was that what happened?
Okay, well, it's the morning after, and last night was a little rough, but why was it rough, Mama?
Arrow beds suck.
Yeah.
So we haven't slept.
Our bed was deflating, our 2-year-old was off the freaking chain, the whole camp knows her name, which is Mud.
I was asleep.
This
the whole
one had a
time.
great night. She slept about 12 hours blissfully, didn't wake at all.
No, that was me. I slept a ton. I only woke up at 3 a.m.
But silver lining, we have camp breakfast cooking. So I'll give you a little show as to what we got going on here. Okay, everything's been cooking so far. You're gonna see the end result soon. Who wants breakfast casserole in a bit? I do. So we're just still chilling. We're getting close to the campfire yumminess. So,
Then we're gonna
Okay.
go hiking.
Do you like camping? Yeah? You wouldn't know last night.
okay, I got one. A man walked into a bar. Ow.
Okay, I got a joke.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, so 2 bacon are laying side by side in a pan, and the one bacon says to the other bacon, "It's getting hot in here," and the other bacon says, "Ah, a talking bacon!"
Yeah, here's the big reveal with our camp breakfast.
Big reveal, camp breakfast.
Like an old man's elbow. Got a little burn there. Watch out. Breakfast Zoom. Nom, 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 nom. We'll give you a full review in a minute, but I already know it's good. Okay, here's our camp breakfast.
Breakfast cheers.
Breakfast cheers. Okay, this is our camp breakfast. We got some sausage, eggs, cheese, hash browns, and biscuits on top with a little ketchup.
Yum, yum, yum.
And Matt's here to review it.
Okay, here we go.
He made it himself, so. How is it?
Ooh, that's an 11 out of 10. Maybe because I'm hungry. And
Okay, Mom, how do you rate yours?
Delicious. That is a 10 out of 10, for sure.
Dutch oven, winning combination. We're gonna make some cobbler later.
Hi, you guys. We're gonna go on a hike to the beach. Evie's enjoying a nice ride.
I need a little more stuff.
And you.
Okay, guys. We're hiking to the beach right now. This is Haley Camp. We're almost just about there. We've left the campsite. Evie and Daddy. Say hi, Evie.
Hi.
Do you like being up there? Alright. Hi guys, we made it to the beach. Beautiful view. Looks like it could go on forever. I'm excited for the beach. So. We found some crabs.
I wonder if they'll pinch you.
Probably.
Oh, there's a little baby. Look at the little baby.
Do you see the crabs?
I don't think he'll crabs.
Yeah.
Hi, Doogie boy. nighter without a baby in it.
Oh, he likes hiking. His tail's wagging. He's a happy dog.
It's beautiful.
What's that?
A lot of big trees. Very.
Uh-oh.
What?
I'm out of breath from running ahead, but I'm gonna scare him. Okay, you guys are good. I was hoping Holden was gonna be first. Wait, are your pants full? This is Missy Moo Cam.
Yo, Evie.
She's a seasoned hiker.
Just like the season hiker also.
It's beautiful out here. After our hike, we ventured to the nearby town of Port Townsend, where we saw the sights, shops, and even had some yummy caramels. Okay, what are we up to? Let's give an update.
Shopping.
So last night we had a bed snafu and it went all wonky, so we had to get this. But the good news is
We did see
they have huckleberry caramels.
I want to try one.
Does anybody want a huckleberry caramel?
Yes, please.
Me.
Eat,
You want
eat
caramel?
your food first. Look at these.
What's that?
Maybe. I may like them. See? Huckleberry caramels.
Oh,
Eat,
yeah.
eat your food and then I'll give you one.
I forgot how good these were.
It tastes like huckleberry.
You kicking it?
Did you have a caramel? Was that yummy? Oh my goodness. Are you too cute? Are you just chilling?
Yeah, that's
Hi.
a new store. It hasn't opened yet.
Whistle Stop Toys. It's closed. Sweetie.
Let's get this wiggly. Taxi.
We then headed back to the campground where we made cobbler.
Go ahead. Oh boy. Crash.
Okay, Evie, when we get home, do you want a bath?
What's that, baby?
Does Bear need a bath when we get home?
Let's see how dirty Bear is. Show Daddy.
Oh, let me see Bear.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
even more dirty.
Oh, we got a man down. Call the medic.
Okay.
God. Holden,
Bear
give him
is
mouth-to-mouth
officially
CPR.
not blue anymore. Yeah, he's really gross.
Evie, are you camping? Is that why Bear's all gross? We're about to reveal
The
cobbler.
cobbler, yeah. Yo, I'm here. Here's our setup. Grab this.
I dropped this on my foot. I'd be so mad.
Okay, here we go. It's time for the reveal. Woo!
Oh my,
Oh man, it's bubbling.
so good. Nice work, sweetheart.
Yes, look at this masterpiece. Close up, cobbler close up. What are your thoughts on the looks?
It looks really good.
Holden?
Looks like pie.
Mama?
Looks delicious.
Evie, how does it look?
Good.
Good. Okay.
Okay,
Matt, what are you thinking? How does that look?
looks freaking good to me. Trust me, the cobbler was delicious.
So we're on our way home. And just stopped.
One of the few things that makes me feel human, coffee.
And it is much needed.
Yep, and there's pistachio in it, so it's delicious. But we're heading on back.
Yeah, mine too.
We're heading on back from our camping trip. We'll give you a little synopsis in a little bit, but we're on the road.
Evie says hi, and she sings slugs
Evie
at
wants
food.
to say hi to you guys. She's back here in her seat.
I would like to say hi.
Hey.
What did you think of Fort Townsend Park?
It was fun. I liked how our campsite was private from everyone.
I enjoyed going down to the shore and seeing all the crabs. Make sure you go when the tide's out. When the tide's in, there's not much. It's a little hike down a hill, and there's all sorts of tide pools and stuff you can see.
My favorite part was cobbler, off the chain cobbler.
What you like about the park?
The park itself, it was very lush and green, and you could see other campsites, but there was enough separation that you felt like you were in your own little world. There's some campsites where you're just right next to it and you're looking at your neighbor, so the isolation's kind of nice. Okay, weary travelers, we need some food.
Yeah, we're going to the ramp.
Hey, we're the Grams with Graham Adventures. We just wrapped up a camping trip. Does everybody have something to say? How was your overall impressions, Mama?
It was pretty good.
Good campground, and I'm tired and can't wait to be home.
How about you, Haley Rain?
Same. I had fun, but I'm excited to get home.
Holden boy?
I'm really excited for home. My campground was awesome.
Okay. Hayden?
I'm really excited for home. Camping was fun, but yeah, I'm excited to go home and shower.
Yeah, the showering, you had to have tokens, and someone left a token for me that had my name on it. But I took one shower and one cold shower, so one hot, one cold. Well, overall, we had a good time. It was a little stressful because our bed the first night deflated and kind of left us high and dry. So we were already fatigued, but overall, it went well. We had cobbler. We did a little bit of hiking. We saw Port Townsend, which is one of our favorite cities to see. Yeah, overall, successful trip. Now we have the easy task of unpacking and drying everything out.
It was raining this morning.
It was raining a little bit, just enough to make us have to spend extra time drying our gear, but it's worth it for no mold. But hey, we had a good time. I think everybody did. We're all in one piece. We're mostly sane. I don't know. And hey, as always, make sure to like this video, share, and subscribe. There's going to be more content. And catch us on our next adventure.